Welcome to the highly sought-after gated community of The Ranch. Close to parks, walking trails, award-winning schools, shopping, and restaurants, this handsome single-level, completely remodeled home offers a sanctuary at the end of your day. Approached by a circular drive that leads to a 3-car side-loading garage, the home is enhanced by colorful gardens and a covered arched entry that escorts you through grand double doors. Stepping inside this impressive home, your eyes are drawn over the incredible open floor plan and out through sliders to the magnificent backyard with its sparkling pool and spa. A stone wall houses the fireplace, which is an idyllic spot for sharing cozy conversation with your guests. Nearby, a spacious dining room with plenty of space to accommodate a hutch or buffet stands at the ready for entertaining. Form and function marry with fantastic results in the chef's kitchen, well appointed with endless granite counters and a wealth of richly toned cabinetry, including special places to display your treasures. There's a handy breakfast bar for socializing with visitors, along with gleaming stainless steel appliances. Over the sink, a large garden window lets in a bounty of natural light. A short descent takes you into the comfortable family room, which also boasts a fireplace as well as built-ins and access to the pool and yard. And speaking of having passage to the pool and yard, nowhere is it more of a luxury than from the master retreat. This refuge also features plush carpeting, an abundance of closet space, and a truly lavish master bathroom, outfitted with a relaxing tub, glass-enclosed steam shower, and loads of storage. Bedroom 2 also offers neutral carpeting to cushion underfoot, along with lots of natural light and recessed lighting. Bathroom 2 has also undergone a fantastic makeover. You'll be amazed by the extraordinary amount of cabinetry, the glass-enclosed shower, and stylish tile work. Bedroom 3 is especially bright thanks to light from dual exposures. A neutral paint palette ensures it's ready for its new occupant. The 4th bedroom sits at the other end of the house from the other 3, making it ideal for overnight guests, the nanny, or as an office, exercise room, or hobby room. It's serviced by the home's 3rd bathroom, in which amenities include a shower and roomy vanity. Rounding out the interior of this inviting home is a light-filled laundry room with a sink and cabinets, located next to the kitchen. The deal ceiling area of this must-see home might just be its close to a half-acre site, which includes a sweeping resort-inspired backyard. At its center is a sparkling heated pool and relaxing spa, along with a barbecue area and tranquil waterfall. A true gem. Schedule your private showing to see more today.